An abstract class often contains abstract methods and no definition, like an interface does. Unlike an interface, the abstract modifier must be applied to each abstract method. An abstract class typically contains non-abstract methods with bodies, further distinguishing abstract classes from interfaces. A class declared as abstract that does not need to contain abstract methods. Continuation of abstract classes. The child of an abstract class must override the abstract methods of the parent, or it too will be considered abstract. An abstract method that cannot be defined as final because it must be overridden, or static because it has no definition yet. The use of abstract classes is a design decision. It helps us establish common elements in a class that is too general to instantiate. Indirect use of members. An inherited member that can be referenced directly by the name in the child class as if it were declared in the child class. But even if a method or variable is not inherited by a child, it can still be accessed indirectly through parent methods. Polymorphism. A reference that can be polymorphic, which can be defined as having many forms. Object dot. This line of a code might execute different methods at different times if the object points to changes. Polymorphic references are resolved at any time. This is called dynamic binding. Careful use of polymorphic references that can lead to elegant, robust software designs. Polymorphism that can be accomplished using inheritance or using interfaces. References and inheritance. An object references that can refer to an object of its class or to an object of any class related to it by inheritance. For example, if the holiday class is used to derive a child class called Christmas, then a holiday reference could be used to point to a Christmas object. So this is the example of this holiday day. Day is equal to new Christmas. References and inheritance. Assigning a predecessor object to an ancestor references is considered to be a widening conversion, and that can be performed by simple assignment. Assigning an ancestor object to a predecessor reference that can be done also, but it is considered to be a narrowing conversion and must be done with a case. The widening conversion is the most useful. An object reference that can be used to refer to any object. An array list is designed to hold object references. Polymorphic via inheritance. It is the type of the object being referenced, not the reference type, that determines which method is invoked. Suppose the holiday class has a method called celebrate and the Christmas class overrides it. Now consider the following invocation: day dot celebrate. If day refers to a holiday object, it invokes